Google Colab, short for Google Colaboratory, is a free cloud-based notebook environment extensively used by programmers and engineers worldwide. It leverages the Python programming language known as utilized by a vast majority of professionals in various fields, including technology giants like Google. In this video, we'll delve into what Google Colab offers and why it's become a go-to platform for many. As a powerful player in the realm of artificial intelligence, Google has pioneered numerous initiatives, including the development of the TensorFlow framework and its accompanying environment Colaboratory. This platform serves as a space for implementing algorithms and AI and ML programs. What does Google Colab offer? Writing and executing Python code seamlessly within the Colab environment. Adding comments in the form of mathematical formulas to code snippets. Creating, loading, and sharing notebooks effortlessly. Importing and saving files from Google Drive. Importing and sharing files on GitHub. Accessing scientific datasets from various sources like Kaggle. Integrating libraries such as PyTorch, OpenCV, and Cross. And access to free GPU cloud services. Okay, now I want to answer this question. Why use Google Colab? You don't need to burden your local system with heavy machine learning libraries. Reading or watching tutorials alone isn't as beneficial as hands-on experimentation. However, executing such tasks often requires advanced hardware specifications beyond the reach of many. Google Colab bridges this gap, enabling learning and practice in machine learning without the need for high-end hardware. Colab provides the capability to run programs on GPUs, significantly boosting processing speed. In a sense, Google Colab democratizes access to advanced computing resources, making complex tasks like machine learning more accessible to a broader audience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring learner, Colab offers a versatile platform to explore, develop, and deploy cutting-edge AI solutions.